Greetings, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my book 108 Sales Questions, and today we are discussing question number 11. Let me read the question for you. What is the difference between a lead and a prospect, and why it is important to understand this difference? Friends, a lead is something which tells you that something they may buy your product or service. There is a possibility of buying from you. That's all. But you don't know when they want, you don't know who is the right decision maker, you don't know how much quantity they are going to buy, all these things you don't know. A prospect, in other words, is nothing but a qualified lead. When you talk to the lead, or when I meet the lead, or you have a G meet with them, or a Zoom call with them, you ask certain questions and then you qualify the lead whether they are your prospect or not. So what is this qualification criteria? That's what we discussed in the previous video as well. You are knowing whether they have the money to buy, or you talking to the right person within the company, or what kind of product or service they are looking for which you can save, and what volume, and what is the time frame when they want it, and how many people are involved in this decision making. All these data you are collecting in your first meeting or a call, or in the second meeting or a call, so that you are qualifying the lead that it is a right prospect. So once you confirm it is a right prospect, then you spend more time with that prospect so that you can close the deal. So lead and prospects are very different. So lead is at a very early stage, you don't have much data, but you ask a lot of questions to them and you qualify, and then they become the prospect. So only when they're the right prospect, then you can put that in the forecast that you can expect when you will close them and what kind of revenue you are going to get. So having more prospect is important than having more leads. You may have 100 leads, but the right prospects are only 5, then you have to work more on leads. So the problem I see with many entrepreneurs and startups and small companies is they say, Subbu, you know what? We have 500 leads in our database, so no problem. But ask them what are the prospects, how much you have qualified. Those 500, when you qualify, it will become 80 or 100. Okay. So friends, have more right prospects so that you can forecast your next few quarters revenue. Thank you. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.